Sweet potatoes to make chaat? Yes, today we are making a stuffed tikki chaat with them. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. If you want to cook interesting and easy recipes that are tried and tested, then this is the right place for you. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe. Let's get started. For the filling or the stuffing, we need some moong dal soaked in water for 2 to 3 hours. I have it in a mixie jar and I'll grind it to a coarse paste. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in some cumin seeds. Add in the coarsely ground moong dal. Add in a pinch of hing or asafoetida. I'm adding it into the oil. Cook this on low heat. Add in some turmeric powder, some basil leaves. You could add mint or pudina, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander, add in some sauf or fennel seeds coarsely ground and some grated ginger. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Season it with salt. That looks done. Turn off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. We need boiled sweet potatoes for the tikki. Remove the skin. Once all of them have been peeled, we need to mash them up. That's done. Season the sweet potatoes with some black salt and some chaat masala. I'll also add in some roasted besan or gram flour. You need to dry roast the besan on low heat so that the raw smell goes away. This is for the binding. I like to keep the flavoring for the tikki really simple because the filling has a lot of flavor in it. If you want, you could add in some green chilies or coriander leaves in the potato mixture as well. I like it this way. Just check the seasoning. Tastes perfect. So now we have the covering and the filling for the tikki. All we need to do is start making them. Make a ball of the sweet potato filling, roughly the size of a golf ball. Make a depression in it. Add in the moong filling and then just close it. Press at the filling and pinch on the sweet potato coating. That's how you close it. Flatten it slightly. If it opens up on one side, no problem. Pinch, press and get it back into shape. One done. Let's keep it aside. All the tikkis have been formed. I got about 12 tikkis from this batch. All we need to do is rest them for about 10 to 15 minutes before frying them. I've added a little oil into the pan. I'm frying the tikkis in vegetable oil. You could fry them in ghee or clarified butter. They taste even better when fried in ghee. Let me just flip it over and see. Wow, look at the nice charred color on the tikkis. Hardly takes any time to fry them. Try to fry them right before you want to serve. So I'll take them out. To serve the tikkis, I'll place some beaten yogurt or beaten curd as the base. Place a tikki. Drizzle some imli chutney or tamarind chutney. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Some black salt. Roasted cumin powder, jeera powder. That gives a nice earthy flavor. Some red chili powder. And some save. That's ready. And here's the mouth-watering tikki chaat for you. Let me show you how to make a quick tamarind chutney. I have here some tamarind or imli pulp, which I got by soaking the imli in water and then taking out the pulp and straining it. To this, I'll add some superfine sugar. That will dissolve quickly. Some table salt or the regular salt. Some black salt. And a few drops of ginger juice. So just grate some ginger and squeeze to extract the juice. Use a whisk and mix it well till the sugar has dissolved completely. Give it a taste. I'll add in a bit more of the black salt and some sugar. Taste again. That's perfect.